Did you know that a single tropical fruit can boost your immunity, speed up digestion, and even fight inflammation, all at the same time? You heard that right. Today, we're uncovering the secrets behind pineapple's amazing health impacts. And trust me, you'll never look at this juicy fruit the same way again. But before we jump in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Zenith for Care, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming health tips, fruit facts, and nutrition secrets. Pineapples are more than just a sweet summer treat. They're packed with powerful nutrients that your body loves. For starters, pineapple is an incredible source of vitamin C, which helps strengthen your immune system and keeps your skin glowing and youthful. Just 1 cup of pineapple gives you more than half of your daily vitamin C needs. But that's not all. Pineapple is loaded with a special enzyme called bromelain. And here's where things get interesting. Bromelain helps your body digest proteins faster, making pineapple a natural digestive booster. That's why eating a few slices after a heavy meal can actually make you feel lighter and more comfortable. And if you struggle with inflammation or swelling, pineapple might just be your new best friend. Bromelain also has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce pain, muscle soreness, and even joint stiffness. Many athletes actually eat pineapple or drink its juice after workouts to recover faster. Now, let's talk about heart health. Pineapple is naturally rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, flavonoids, and manganese. These compounds help fight free radicals, improve blood circulation, and keep your heart strong and healthy. Studies suggest that adding pineapple to your weekly diet may even lower the risk of heart disease in the long run. Oh, and here's something you probably didn't know. Pineapple is a weight loss-friendly fruit. It's naturally low in calories, high in fiber, and helps you feel full for longer. So if you're trying to shed a few extra pounds, adding pineapple to your breakfast or smoothies could be a delicious way to stay on track. But a quick tip: moderation is key. Pineapple is slightly acidic and high in natural sugars, so eating too much may irritate your mouth or cause a sugar spike. A cup or 2 per day is more than enough to get all its amazing benefits. So, the next time you see a fresh pineapple, remember, it's not just a tropical fruit. It's a powerful source of vitamins, minerals, and natural healing compounds that can transform your health from the inside out. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Zenith for Care, and share it with your friends and family. We've got more exciting fruit and nutrition facts coming up, so stay tuned for the next video.